Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to all of you. So, I have already given you the unit number 7, unit number 8, unit number 9 tubes, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, I think we have completed the unit number 7,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
today, if I start unit number 8, okay, you do one
Okay,
thing.
sir.
For unit number 7, there are questions now, correct?
Yes,
In the
sir.
unit number 7, there are questions. You write the answers and send it to me. Okay. Inshallah,
Okay, sir.
I will give you a scheme after you send it to me. So, one side, your practices are coming. Right. So, in today's heading, unit number 8 is starting. Unit number 8. Support. And movement. In the organism. Okay. Take the tute. In the tute, first of all, we are going to speak about movement. Organisms are moving from one place to another place, okay, using various structures. Using various structures, organisms are moving from one place to another place. In the tute, if you take the organism first given to you, what is the first given organism?
Amoeba.
Amoeba. In amoeba, there are extensions called pseudopodia for moving from one place to another place. The second given organism is whom? Euglena. If you take Euglena, Euglena use flagella to move from one place to another place. Third organism is paramecium. In the paramecium, in the sides, there will be tiny hair-like structures called cilia. Fourth organism given to you is whom? Earthworm. Earthworm uses its body to move from one place to another place. Next given organism is snail. Snail uses its foot to move from one place to another. Next given organism is leech. Leech uses its suckers to move from one place to another. Next given organism is dolphin. Dolphin uses flippers to move from one place to another. Next it is cobra. Cobra uses body to move from one place to another. Next given organism is toad. It uses legs to move. Next given organism is crow. It uses wings to move. Next given organism is cheetah. It uses legs to move. And next given organism is human. So human also they use what is it? Legs to move. So it is the first thing I have asked you. You have to mark their moving structure in the space given below the diagram. Could you please, can everyone see the full paper? Okay, can see the full paper.
Yes, sir. Can see,
So
sir.
you can complete it down.
Answer.
Have everyone completed it?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Have you completed it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, if you go to the page number 2, what is the heading given to you in page number 2?
Bones, muscles, and joints.
Muscles and
And
joints.
Joints.
Okay. Those three are present only in vertebrates. Bones, muscles, and what is it?
Joints.
Joints. Now, for a simple example, if you take this hand, from this finger, there is a fiber moving here. If you cut this place, open this place, and catch that fiber and pull it, this finger will move like this, and release it will go like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, like this, okay, in every, now in this place, these are bones. This is a bone, this is another bone. So between the bones, there are, what is it?
Joints.
Joints. So bones, muscles, joints, all these ones can be seen in vertebrates or invertebrates.
Vertebrates.
Vertebrates. Invertebrates have muscles only for movement. Vertebrates only have bones, muscles, and joints. Okay. So bones and muscles, one side helping you to move the body, another side helping you to maintain a shape in the body. Okay, giving a steadiness to stand upright. Now, for a simple example, if a person's leg breaks, can he stand straight?
Can't, sir.
Why? Why? Only bone is broken, correct?
Yes.
Muscles are there, joints are there, but bone is broken. If bone is broken, he can't stay steady. Mean you can understand how much important to stand upright the bones to you, correct? Are you clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Thirdly, we are coming to the heading characteristics of muscles. If you take a muscle is arranged in what form they say? What is the form? What is the cells in a muscle are arranged in what form? Fiber. Now it will be like this. This is a muscle fiber. Understood? What is this?
Muscle fiber.
It is a muscle
Fiber.
fiber. Right. If you take a muscle fiber, here I take a muscle fiber. Okay. This muscle fiber can become short, can become long. Shorten, lengthen, shorten. Mainly muscle fiber from one stage, it will contract, then relax. Contract, again relax. Contract, relax. Contract, relax. It is the work that can be done by a muscle fiber. What are the two things it can do?
Contract
Contract and relax. After contracting, it will relax. After relaxing, it will again contract. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that is whose nature? Muscle
Muscle fiber.
fiber's nature. This is an organization to show you how our elbow joint is working. Which joint? Which joint? Elbow. 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 How do you call?
Elbow.
Elbow joint. Okay. Right. So it is this joint of us. This is that joint. Okay. Here is the joint. This is our elbow joint. This is one bone here. This is another bone here. Okay. How many bones are making this joint? Two bones. In this hand, there are two muscles there. Okay. The muscle in this region is the bicep muscle. The muscle in this region is the tricep muscle. What are the two types of muscles?
Bicep muscle.
Bicep muscle and tricep muscle. When you are folding the hand like this muscle is contracting. This muscle is relaxing. When you are stretching the hand like this muscle is contracting and this muscle is relaxing.
Relaxing.
When one muscle is contracting, other muscle has to, what is it? Relax.
Relax.
So what is this muscle?
Bicep muscle.
Bicep muscle. What is this muscle?
Tricep muscle.
Tricep, TRI. If you keep your hand like this and fold your hand like this, which muscle is contracting?
Bicep.
Bicep.
Bicep muscle is contracting. Which muscle is relaxing?
Tricep.
Tricep muscle is relaxing. When you stretch your hand like this, now which muscle is contracting?
Tricep.
Tricep.
Tricep muscle is contracting. Which muscle is relaxing?
Bicep.
Bicep muscle is relaxing. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Here, to show that one, they are using this structure. In this one, okay, this is this wood plank. Okay, it is representing our upper arm. Which arm? Which arm? Upper arm.
Upper arm.
This one is representing the which arm? Forearm. This rubber band, elastic band A, is representing the which muscle?
Bicep muscle.
Bicep muscle. And elastic band B is representing the, okay, but muscle? Tricep muscle. Okay. This bolt nail is representing the joint. The bolt nail is representing the, what is it?
Joint.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Could you please mark down these details?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you completed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, using this one below, now same idea, the picture is given to you. Okay, the upper arm. What is the upper arm bone called? Upper arm bone is called humerus.
Humerus.
Upper arm bone is called
Humorous.
humerus.
Substitute mark.
Have you marked it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Here, there are two bones there. These two bones are, okay, our forearm bones. How many bones are there in the forearm?
2 bones.
Two bones are there. Ulna and radius. Have you marked it?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Here, in this place, you are used the word. Can you read this word?
Tendons.
Tendons. Tendons are, okay, what they do is, tendons bind to bones at the joint. What is the work of? What is
Bind
the
2
work
bones
of?
at the joint.
Bind two bones at the joint. Okay, remember, if the tendons are becoming weaker, the joint will become loose. It is what happening to the cricket bowlers. They used to call it shoulder injury. Have you heard about shoulder injury in the cricketers? Cricket players, they are making a shoulder injury. That is mainly tendons are tearing, tendons are weakening.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, let us come to these questions. What is the structure represented by the elastic band A? What is your answer?
Bicep muscle.
Which muscle?
Bicep muscle.
Bicep muscle.
Bicep muscle.
Bicep muscle. What is the structure represented by elastic band B?
Tricep muscle.
Tricep muscle. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
What is the bone represented by the wood plank P?
Upper arm.
No,
Upper
upper arm is not the word of bone. What is the bone?
Humerus.
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 What is the structure represented by wood plank Q?
Forearm.
Forearm.
Forearm
Okay.
bones.
Or you can say radius and ulna of
Ulna.
forearm. Correct?
Forearm bones.
Yes, sir.
Right. What is the structure in the human body represented by the whole unit? The whole unit
Elbow.
represents
Elbow.
elbow joint.
Elbow joint.
Joint.
Elbow joint.
Joint.
Could you please answer the questions?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Have you completed it?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed.
No, sir. Completed, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. What will happen when elastic band B contracts? When elastic band B AA, when elastic band A contracts. Okay.
Elastic B relax.
No, that will not happen actually. That will not happen. That is only a human body, not in the rubber band. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When elastic band A contracts, wood plank Q will fold. Okay. What will happen? Wood plank KK.
Wood plank
Wood plank Q will, what is
You
it?
will fold.
Fold.
Will fold.
What will happen when elastic band B contracts? When elastic
Wood
band B
plank.
contracts, wood plank
Wood plank
Q
P
will
Q.
unfold. Or you can say it will, what is it?
Stretch.
Stretch. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What will happen to the bicep muscle when tricep muscle contracts?
Bicep muscle relax.
Relaxes. Correct?
Yes, sir.
It will, what is it?
Relax.
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 What will happen to the tricep muscle when bicep muscle contracts?
Relax.
It also
Relax.
will, what is it?
Relax.
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 Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
You can complete. Question number
Okay,
6,
sir.
7, 8, 9.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
ഇല്ല, ഒന്ന് രണ്ടാതി.
Done, sir.
Have you completed it?
No, sir.
Rahuma completed it?
Yes, sir.
Then everyone has completed it. What makes folding of the hand?
Tendons.
No. Contraction of bicep muscle. What makes the folding of the hand?
Bicep muscle.
Contraction of
Contraction of
bicep muscle.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Rahuma completed?
No, sir. Now done, sir.
What makes unfolding of the hands? Unfolding of the hands is done by
Contraction.
contraction of tricep muscles.
Muscle.
Done, sir.
Right. So with that one, support and movement in human is over. Okay. Now we are coming to the next heading. What is the heading?
Support and movements of plants.
Support and movements of plants. In the plants, there are two types of plants. One we call woody plants, other one we call non-woody plants. If you look at the stem of non-woody plant, it will like this. That means it is a fleshy stem. What kind of stem it is?
Fleshy.
stem.
Fleshy stem. Okay, non-woody plant stem will be, now this fleshy stem, you can squeeze with your fingers. That kind of a stem, what is it? This
Non-woody plants.
non-woody
Fleshy
stem
stem.
is a fleshy stem. If the plant has fleshy stem, this fleshy stem will be fresh enough. This fleshy stem will be, what is it?
Fresh enough.
Fresh enough until it contains water. If there is water, it will be a fresh stem. Okay, it will be fresh and straight. When it will be fresh and straight,
What is there?
if water is there.
When it contains water.
If water is not there, say you are not watering the plant, what will happen? Its freshness will go, its straightness will go, then plant can't stay straight. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is whose nature? Non-woody
Non-woody plants.
plants.
Woody plants.
If opposite word, woody plant.
Woody plants.
If you take a woody plant, in the stem, okay, woody plant stem, when you consider, woody plant stem will be a stronger stem like this. In this one, there is a material called wood. If you don't even water this plant, okay, this is what kind of stem?
Woody stem.
Woody stem. Because it is a woody stem, okay, it always stays how? Upright.
Straight.
It always stays, what is it? Upright
Upright.
or steady or straight. Understood? In any word you can explain
Yes,
it.
sir.
So to this plant, do you want to continuously put water?
No.
No. Okay. Will it lose its steadiness if you don't put water?
No.
No. So that kind of plants are there. So idea here is, what are the two types of plants?
Woody plant.
Non-woody plants
plants and woody plants.
and woody plants.
Woody plants.
Okay. In the woody plants, there is wood. Correct? And
Yes,
the wood in the woody plants is called by the name
Heartwood.
Heartwood.
heartwood. In the heartwood, two strong materials are there. What are the two strong materials in the heartwood? Read this one. Cellulose and lignin. So for a woody plant, do you want to keep high water percentage?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Okay. But non-woody plant, to keep them upright, who is very important?
Water.
Water is important. Otherwise, the plant will shrink, fold, and die. Right. What are woody plants? Okay. Plants having wood in the stem. Okay. Plants having
Wood in the stem.
in the stem. Okay. What kind of wood mean? Your book says what kind of wood?
Heartwood.
Heartwood in the stem. What are non-woody plants? Plants not having
Wood in the stem.
wood in the what is it? Stem. Most of the plants you see around you are what is it? Woody plants.
Woody.
Okay, for an example, mango is a woody plant, jack is a woody plant, rambutan is a
Woody plant.
woody plant. They will be large plants also. They are strong plants, no? Say they are large plants. You can climb on them also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Non-woody plants. Example, there are many non-woody plants there. Okay, now for example, grass is a non-woody plant, but the example given to you in the syllabus book is What is the non-woody plant? Balsam.
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 Balsam. Balsam. Okay, anyway you can call it. Could you please complete the answering?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Hmm.
Dancer.
Completed it?
No, sir.
Rahma.
No, sir.
Hmm. What a speedy writing, eh? You can apply for Guinness.
Done, sir.
What are the chemicals making the cell wall of cells making hardwood? There are two chemicals mentioned to you. One it is this. What is it?
Cellulose.
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 Other one it is this.
Lignin.
What is it?
Lignin.
Lignin. State whether woody plants wither and their stems get bent on sunny days. Will woody plant stem will lose its rigidity and bend and fall on the ground?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Okay, because okay, they have what is it? Hard wood. Okay, because they have hard
Hardwood.
even in low water content. Okay, woody plants will stay erect without bending. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. State whether non-woody plants wither and the stem get bent on sunny days.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. To keep the stem erect, high amount of water is needed. When the amount of water is low, the stem loses its rigidity and bends. Okay.
Okay. Done.
Rahma,
No, sir. Done, sir.
Russians, European Union, எல்லாருக்கும் entity origin.
okay. With that one, support to the plants is over. Now we are going to work on the heading called, what is it? Movements.
Movements of
Whose movements? Movements of the plants.
plants.
So what is movement of the plant is defined to you. What is movement of the plant?
Growth.
Read it. Growth.
Growth of a part
in the
in a
Growth of
plant
the
as a
plant
result
as
to
As a response
stimulus or
to
change of the
stimulus or
location
change in the location due to the
change
change
is
is known as movement of a plant.
Right. We will after understanding the movement, this lesson, this portion will be easy for you. So I'm not spending time on giving an explanation. What is movement of plant? Okay. There are two types of movements in the plant. What are the two types of movement?
tropic movement.
Tropic movement
and nastic movement.
and nastic movement. Here they are writing some ideas regarding tropic movement. I am not taking even that one. I am straightly going to the notes. Okay. In the tropic movements, they are introducing you different types of tropic movements. Okay. One tropic movement they call by what name? By what name?
Positive geotropism.
Positive geotropism. We will try to understand positive geotropism. Okay. We will try to understand positive rather than going for the notes and telling. First, you have to understand it. That is more important. Then we will right. Here, see, you take a pot plant. Okay. You take a pot plant. Okay. In which the stem has grown like this. Okay. And the root has grown out like this. This kind of a pot plant. You keep it on the ground in this pattern. Okay. After some time, after 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 days, what you will see is this stem would be growing like this. this root will be growing like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes,
is
sir.
this? Root. What is this?
Stem.
Stem. This is earth. After bending, earth is coming near to the earth now. Sorry, earth, root is coming near to the earth now.
Yes, sir.
So because it is coming near to the earth, this is called positive geotropism. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Stem is moving against the earth, correct? Am I right? Root
sir.
is
Yes.
coming near to the earth, stem is moving. So stem is showing what kind of tropism?
Negative.
Negative
Negative
tropism.
geotropism.
Tropism.
This is one example to you. Another example, you can do this one with a seed. When a seed germinate, in it, a root and stem will come. Say this is the, what is it? Stem or shoot, and this is the, what is it? Root.
Root.
After some days, what you will see is root would grow like this and stem would grow like this. So root is showing
Positive geotropism.
positive geotropism and shoot is showing
Negative geotropism.
Negative
negative
geotropism.
geotropism. So in the tube, under positive geotropism, there's a space given, correct?
Yes, sir.
Under negative geotropism, there's a space given.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For one space, you draw this. For one space, you draw this. Tell me after drawing.
sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Completed.
Done, sir.
Rahman,
No, sir.
யாரு டன்னு சொல்லியும் வேலை இல்லை.
Done, sir.
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Rahman,
Done, sir.
right. So what is the next type of movement? What is the next type of movement?
Positive phototropism.
Positive phototropism. You
Phototropism.
take a pot plant. Okay. You take a pot plant and give light from one side. After some days, you have to continuously give light. After some days, you will notice the pot plant is growing towards the light, that is coming near to the light. This is what kind of movement?
Positive
Phototropism.
Positive
Phototropism.
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 By these two arrows, what I am showing? I am showing
Right.
light. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can complete it.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Rahman,
Done, sir.
Right. What is the next one? What is the next one?
Positive
Positive
hydrotropism.
hydrotropism.
Right. Here, there is a plant. Okay. In this site, you keep, okay, wet soil. What kind of soil?
Wet soil.
Wet soil. Wet soil mean lots of, what is it? Water there.
Water.
In this site, there is dry soil. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You will notice if this is the plant root, much of the roots would be growing. Much of the roots would be growing to which side?
To wet soil.
Wet side.
To wet soil
Only
side.
little roots can be seen in the, what is it?
Dry side.
Dry side.
Dry.
What is the meaning?
Roots moving
Root
towards the
is
water.
moving through towards the place where there is more water. Correct?
Water. Yes, sir.
And the root is coming near to the water. So that is positive hydrotropism.
Hydrotropism.
Are you clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Carefully draw where these roots should be longer roots, dense roots. These roots should be, what is it? Small roots,
Short.
few roots.
Done, sir.
Completed?
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Done, sir.
Right. What is the next one?
Positive.
Positive chemotropism.
Positive. This is happening actually in a flower. Okay. In a flower, there is a structure called gynoecium. In the gynoecium, there is a structure called ovule. This whole unit is called, one simple word I tell you, it is called pistil. And this is, what is it?
Ovule.
Ovule. In this place, there will be a pollen. It's a pollen. From the pollen, there will be a tube growing. And this tube is called by the name, what tube?
Pollen tube.
Pollen tube. This pollen tube is growing towards the chemicals near to the home.
Ovule.
Ovule. Okay, chemicals are attracting the pollen tube. So pollen tube is growing, pollen tube is coming near and near and near to the
Of you.
chemicals. If it is coming near only, we have to call positive. Understood? When can you call it positive? If it is
When it
coming
comes
near
near.
only, you have to call it positive.
Done, sir.
Rahma,
Not yet, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed, sir.
Rahma, completed.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Right. What is the next type?
Positive
Positive
thigmotropism.
Positive thigmotropism. In positive thigmotropism, okay, this is what's happening. Now there is a plant. It has a weak stem. There is a stem, another plant stem. The plant's weak stem come and accidentally touch this. When it touches it, it will start to tightly coil around it. It will coil around it and go. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in that case, here say there is a weaker, what is it? Weaker stem. Here there is a support stem. What is it?
Support stem.
Support stem. A tendril going from here will coil around it, and finally it will be staying like this. if there's another support stem here, a tendril going here will, okay, coil around like this. So weaker stem is given support by support stem. Okay, this is tendril. What is it?
Tendril.
Tendril. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
You can mark it down.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Right. So remember, in the tropic movements, there are positive, there are negative, moving towards, moving away, correct? All these things are there. That kind of movements are called, what is it? Tropic movement. They are growth. Once they have bent, they will not come back. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let's come to the next one. Okay, that is called what kind of movement?
Nastic movements.
Nastic movement. Simply telling you nastic movement is like this. There is a flower bud. What is it?
Flower bud.
Flower bud.
Flower bud. This flower bud will bloom to a, what is it?
Flower.
Flower if light is present. If light is present, it will bloom to a, what is it?
Flower.
Flower. Here, light is necessary. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
If light is
Yes, sir.
present, it will bloom to a flower. Point it is, it will not go. Now, if you give light, from this side, or if you give light from this side, or if you give light from this side, or if you give light from any side, it will flower. Understood?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't have anything, okay, light is coming from this side, I will flower this side. Light is coming from this side, it is flowering this side. No, those things are there. Light is there, I will bloom. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear what I told you?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you clear what I told you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, it doesn't have any direction. It has already decided this is how I will bloom. Understood? It has already decided this is what I am going to do. That cannot be decided by the stimulus. Gravity or touch or water or light cannot decide its direction. Understood? Now, for an example, in tropic movement, if you take tropic movement, here say this is a plant. If light is coming this direction, what will happen? Plant will be bending to this side, correct?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? If the light is coming in this direction,
It
now
will bend to
also
that
it
side.
will bend like this.
No, sir.
No, it will bend to this side, correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here, direction of the light is deciding in what side it is bending, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is whose nature?
Nastic movement.
No, that is whose
Tropic.
nature?
Tropic.
Tropic movement's nature. Direction of stimulus coming this way, according to that only my response will be there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, for an example, I will tell you like this. Last year, okay, when I was doing online classes, now for online sessions, I have written for every class, I have written a statement. Grade 8 class details, class time, practicals, time fees, everything. I have written a full detail. For every grade, it was that. Now, when a parent make me a call, sir, I want to join my daughter or I want to join my son. I used to tell them, you send me a WhatsApp message putting your child's name. Then when they will send, no, correct, to them, I would be sending this message. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Fully written in English, would be sending it. Later only I realized, now this is a common message, right? For grade 9 mean this message is going. Okay, this message is going. This is a common message. Whoever asking grade 9, this is the detail. That is a general message, correct?
Yes,
In
sir.
this year, I realized, don't mistake me telling this, I realized all the parents are not equally understanding the message. Understood? Some parents are more educated. Some parents are averagely educated. Some parents are poorly educated. Correct? All the types of people are in the society, correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this year what I did is I will ask the parent to send me a message. Then to the parent, in my voice, I would be sending a voice cut according to the parents' demand. Then I will be speaking with them. They will send a message. I would be sending a message. They will send a message. I would be sending a message. This way, finally, they will get the full idea about the class. Understood? This is like tropic. According to the parent, according to their question, according to the thing they are asking, I am telling them the detail, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is like nastic. Whoever come, whatever the thing they ask, this is grade 9 detail. Read and understand it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, nastic movement, it will not decide according to the direction. Okay, light is coming this way. I will be bending like this. Light is coming this way. I will be bending like this. If those things are happening according to the direction of the stimulus, if the bending is happening, what kind of movement it is?
Tropic.
Tropic, correct? From
Tropic.
whatever the direction come, this is the response mean
Nasty.
nastic. Understood?
Nasty.
Yes, sir.
In whatever the direction it is coming, this is my response. Whoever the parent asking, this is my response. That is what kind of movement?
Nasty.
Nastic movement. So in the
Nastic.
nastic movement, only one thing it needs. You give the stimulus. Understood?
Yes, sir.
You give the, what is it?
Stimulus.
Stimulus. I don't decide according to you. If you know, if you give the stimulus, that's all. I used to tell when I am explaining nastic movement like this. Okay, I have a cousin brother. He is my cousin brother. Okay. One day, he was making me a call and told, Ayya, yes, I'm going to get married. Nice. You know who is the girl? No. She is your student, who I see. You know her? No. And he was telling the name. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And actually, this is just an idea, don't mistake me. I am not having a good opinion about that girl. Understood? But
Yes, sir.
did my cousin brother ask my opinion? Did my cousin brother ask my opinion? In that conversation, did you see my cousin brother asking my opinion?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
How is the girl? Is she good? Anything he asked me?
No, sir.
No. He has decided he is going to marry her. He wants to inform me. My knowledge is needed. Understood? He wants me to send that message to me. I am going to marry this one. She is your student. Then do I want to tell my opinion to him? Tell me.
No,
No.
no, sir.
I kept silent. Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
it is a Gnostic thing he is asking. Gnostic movement means he has already decided he is going to marry this person. He wants to put that word to me. That's all. Is he asking, Ayya, how is she? Okay. Do you have taught her? How is her attitude about her? Anything he asked me?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
He didn't work in the tropic way. He worked in which way?
Nasty.
Nastic way. He has already decided it. So he has to tell me that. So I received it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If he was asking, then I would be telling my opinion. Then, okay,
Topic.
then also he will be marrying her, blaming me. Understood? Which is better? Which is better?
Nasty.
Nasty. Keeping myself silent is better, correct? So,
Yes, sir.
does Nastic movement, okay, is Nastic movement decided by in what direction the stimulus is coming?
No, sir.
No, Nastic movement has already decided this is my movement, but it wants the stimulus. Understood?
Yes, sir.
With lots of effort, I have explained you Nastic movement. Have you understood Nastic movement?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Inshallah,
Yes, sir.
we will continue. Jazakallah khair. Bye.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.